This week's episode, fall foliage. Chlorophyll is a chemical that absorbs sunlight and gives leaves their green color. When the daylight hours are shortened in the fall, trees begin to shut down and produce less chlorophyll. Without chlorophyll, other pigments, such as the ones that make carrots orange, beta-carotenes, and egg yolks yellow, luteins, are able to steal the spotlight, resulting in those beautiful orange, yellows, and reds of fall.
Plants with leaves all year round are called evergreens. Plants that shed their leaves are called deciduous. Deciduous trees commonly lose their leaves in the fall.
Trees shed their leaves in the fall, in preparation for the cold, harsh winter months. Deciduous trees, or trees that shed their leaves annually, have fluid inside their leaves that is inclined to freeze, so to preserve energy in the cold months, they get rid of the leaves altogether.
There are different superstitions about catching leaves, but some think that it's good luck to catch a leaf on the first day of fall. Each leaf equals 1 month of good luck.
After a leaf falls to the ground, it still has a job to do. As the leaf decomposes, its nutrients seep into the soil, helping sustain other plants and animals. So let those leaves decorate your lawn. They're just giving back to nature.
Losing leaves helps trees preserve energy. Leaves contain water, so the tree cuts off the water supply in the fall to save energy, and the leaves dry out and fall off.
Leaves are useless once they fall to the ground. Leaves act as fertilizer as they decompose, giving back to the soil, trees, and animals around them.
Trees that keep their leaves all year are called evergreens. That's why evergreens make perfect Christmas trees.
Chlorophyll, a green pigment present in all green plants. Deciduous, a tree or shrub that sheds its leaves annually. Evergreen, a plant that retains green leaves all year round. Our inspiration location this week was the Hidden Lake Trail at Harpeth River State Park. The trail takes you to the tip of the lake, then up and around for some spectacular views from above. We've linked to the trail map in the show description. Thanks for watching Sister Nature. We'll be heading back outside next week, finding new facts and trying not to trip.
Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any new episodes.
And help spread the word about Sister Nature by sharing this video.
Can't wait till next week? Be sure to follow us on Instagram for clues about our upcoming episodes. See you on the trails.
Bye!